First and foremost, hey Abby, I do apologize for missing out. I had just had some family members that became very emotional, but here we go. My name is Deborah Tanksley. The project title of what I have is Reentry Resource Navigation. And so what inspired it was, number one, just always being incarcerated and then coming out into society, not knowing and not having the essential resources that you need right away, right? And there's always a big gap. So I kind of wanted to fill that gap, right? And to give the community, as returning citizens, that was after incarceration, of course, that they face limited access to resources, require strong support systems, systems during their transition, and rely heavily on smartphones or to access service information, right? I know the community I said, I want to share before that, many communities have nonprofit organizations and reentry programs that provide valuable support such as job training, counseling, and housing assistance. If there was any threats with that, a major threat challenge would be for the community stigma and barriers to employment, which make it a lot more difficult for returning citizens to secure jobs and rebuild their lives. So the problem, of course, is that I created this platform to support returning citizens who needed resources, motivation, and community after incarceration. So the solution that that the app or the website will be, that will help people locate nearby services and resources within the state of New Jersey. A mobile app that provides job resources, health tracking tools, motivational content, and local support services to help individuals and rebuild their lives successfully. I did come up with a wireframe. I don't know if I can share that. Sorry, I'll include the wireframe into and everything that I'm gonna send you. Of course, the target audience is returning citizens. The goal is to, of course, find resources, connect with community support, and help tracking progress. The design colors that I use, that I'm about to show you, I use calming blue and greens that also reflect my real business and real life, to reflect healing and emotional growth. I would say that the major challenges that I faced was connecting the forms to Flask, but I also learned how to front end and back end systems to communicate. That was like the major thing. So now I'm about to show you a video of converting my code to the website. Hold on. All right, so as you can see, I have my app and my app.py up and my home. So when I run it, I had to test this a couple times. When I press play, within my console, I'm able to, highlight it, copy, minimize this. As you can see, I'm pressing enter. Let me make this go up. So I'm able to click on home. This is the home page. You'll be able to request, support, file name. If you go on resources, you can see that it went from home to resources. So they can find anything within here: employment, legal ID help, a placement, mental health awareness. If you scroll back up, if you click on jobs works as well. They're able to see the location, the pay price to be able to apply now, and job readiness support. Health. This one worked well with health, so it changes from healing matters to therapy, counseling, crisis assistance, and support groups. And then last but not least, community. For some reason, this was shifted always to the left. I guess I didn't do the other thing right. But this is here. You can have when they want to sign up, they can add a message and that's so. So that completes my order. If you have any questions, I'm going to email you. Hopefully you can email me back.